Good day, my name is Terry Smith, and in this video I'll be demonstrating how to configure Roman profiles, which enables users to use a familiar desktop on any computer or domain device. Let's begin. Now, as you can see in front of me, I have the Server Manager open, but before we do anything in this application, we'd first like to create our profile folder. So navigate to File Explorer and navigate to our path to which you want to create your folder. After creating your folder, assign its permissions. Enter the group to which you want permissions assigned to this folder. In my case, it will be my domain users. After locating your group, select them and give them full permissions. Now, go to Active Directory users on computers. Navigate to your users OU. Select all the users you want to assign permissions to this folder. Go to Profile and enter the folder path. The path will be in \\, the name of the computer or server to which the folder has been assigned, the name of the folder, and a variable used to assign or that will comprise of all the clients. In my terms, I'll use the username. Now our folder has been created and all users have been assigned permissions. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.